So we got an email at Sport Kilt wondering if people could use their flyaway plaid for a face protector. The flyaways are normally the things you clip to your jacket, you run it through your epaulet right here, hangs down and back. Absolutely. These are nothing more than just a Scottish Shemagh. So here are a couple of ways that you can use them. If you want to find out how the military wears them, if you want 10 opinions, just ask 3 guys and they'll tell you. So basically, fold it like a triangle. Hope you can see that for all the camera. Just a basic triangle, right? There's multiple ways to do this, so pick which one you want. Some are a little looser, some are a little tighter, completely up to you. First thing you're gonna do, take off your hat if you got one. You're gonna put it up over your head, right? So, you're gonna wanna take it even, and then you're gonna offset it. So one side's longer than the other. This small side is gonna go up, around to your ear. This side is going to go all the way around. So, to the ear, go all the way around, and then I just tie a basic loop knot. Square knot. So, at this point, you can adjust it to have a great maximum cover. I realize I'm a little muted, but just realize this one pulls the top tight. You can take the visor part, pull it down lower, and if you want to pull your face open, you can pull it open. If you're tired of wearing the whole thing, you can just pull it back. The good thing about this is with the side tie, is you can get some good strength. And the great thing about this one is it insulates your neck. So if you're breathing, some people are wearing masks that just only cover here, you're still getting some air intake. This way, you're blocking everything from the sides and including covering your ears. So that's the first one. So I'm gonna undo my knot. Another way to wear this, keep your triangle. Once you set your top, pull it forward so you can maximize the amount. You can literally at this point go over one side, then the other side. So you're basically just going to wrap it straight around and tie it in the back. Go over here, in the back, tie it into a square knot. Once again, that was a square knot. You can still open it up for your face, pull it back. You can adjust the visor as you need. I like to call this one the Scottish Ninja. If you look from the side, you actually have a little bit of a visor right here. It'll help with the sun. I like to roll the sides back so I get a little better lateral view. So, I like to call this one the Scottish Ninja. It wraps around double. The good thing about this, now I have 8 pieces of cloth insulating. Each side, when it's folded over, moves, so I have 8 layers stacked on top of each other. I can get this pretty tight to my nose. This is my favorite tie for glasses. Whenever you have glasses, it's a little more even on the sides, right? So, the last one I'll show you. If you just want to take your Shemagh and you fold it down kind of like a bandana. So you have a triangle, and from the triangle, you're going to fold it over. See that? And after you fold it over, put it around your nose, take those corners. I'm going to loop it over, and I'm going to bring those back around to the front. Now at this point, it leaves it a little more open around your face, so if you're a glasses wearer, might be a good way to do it. This has all those layers. So it's not just 2 layers, but now it's about 6 layers to 7 or 8 because there's a fold. This one is great because if you want to give yourself a little bit of fold, you can just push it up, give it a little wrinkle so there's a little more give. Tie it tight. When you come back around to the front, some people will tie this, some people won't. If it's really windy or rainy or something, you might want to give it a loose tie. So I tie a square knot. Now I can either leave it compressed on the front so I'm not breathing in any sand, any contaminated air, or at this point, if you want, just for the look, you can just pull the flyaway over it. So that's 3 different ways to tie a flyaway as your shemagh. I'm sorry that the audio was a little muted while I was talking, but this is nothing more than a down and dirty video to show you in places like California, where I currently am, you have to go out with the face covering. Right now, the sheriffs just got permissions to make it a finable or an arrestable offense if you are not covering. This is a down and dirty way, completely legal, completely compliant, to use a bandana, your shemagh, any part of your tartan, your kilt. You can even use your, if you have a tie, just a little strap of your plaid, you can even tie it this way. So 3 different ways that you can wear it. Go out, be compliant, and help make everyone safe as we only go out for necessities. I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching. Once again, my name is Sean Kinney with Sport Kilt, and I'm one of the kilt designers. Thanks.